Hello, children of Grange, in the earliest foundation stage, in our reception classes, in our nursery class, in Sojourner Truth class, in Bob Marley class, and in Marcus Rashford class, and in Olada Aquino class. It's Mr. Kerbal, the Grange head teacher, and I thought today I will show you my office, because children who do amazing work and make fantastic, great choices sometimes come to my office for me to say to them, I am so proud of them for the choices they make. So remember, everybody, let's do this together. Feel your ear and say, great, good listening, good listening. That's what we do at Grange, good listening. Put your finger by your mouth. Kind words. That's what we use at Grange. Hold your hands out like this. Kind hands that do great actions. Kind hands, great actions. Then put your hand on your heart and say confidence. That's a big word. Let's say it again. Confidence. That means when I really look after myself, that I do my very best. And circle your hand. Consideration. That's when I share and I care and I'm kind and I think about other people. So I'm going to show you my office today. Here we go. This is the blue corridor, in blue admin corridor we call this one. And here is the door to my office. And you go through this door. And here we go. It says, Mr. Kerbal, head teacher. It tells you it's a safe space where we can all calm down, learn from our mistakes, and get better. It also says salam and welcomes everybody. It's God, what we're all about at Grange. It's not just who we are, it's about who we can be, and also how we are all trying to learn to be our very best and do our best. And it's even got a Spanish sign, because we learn Spanish in the school. La oficina del director, señor Kerbal. And let's go into my office. And you can see a clock on the wall, which helps me to remember the time. Here is our Grange CC poster. Do you remember what we just said? Everybody hold your ear. Good listening. Put your finger on your lips. Kind words. Show me your hands. Kind hands. Put your hand on your heart. Confidence. And then stir your hands around. Circle them around. Consideration. And here's a lovely picture, a lovely work of art a year 6 child did for me, which was amazing. This is an incredible piece of art a year 6 child did for me. This was actually from last year. And can you see the moon and can you see the ladder? She said, if you keep climbing, even if the ladder's a little bit shaky, and you try your very best, you eventually get to your destination. Love that. I have some friends who keep me company. This is the lovely leopard who keeps me company. I have got a cushion, and this cushion is all about bees, but it says be honest, be kind, be happy, be positive, believe in yourself. And then I've got a lovely soft ball, and sometimes if somebody needs to just calmly throw the ball to each other, then we can like throw the ball, which is really, because it's lovely and soft. Can you see how I'm squishing it? I've got a nice big TV, but can you see it's got a wire? And then this can fit into my, can you see this one? Well, yeah, there we go. It can fit into my laptop. And then if I have a meeting with somebody, they can see what's on my laptop on the TV. There's some water if somebody comes to my office for a meeting. The windows are open, so we've got good ventilation. And this is my seat where I sit. Here's some feedback from children who were listening to the assembly. There is my laptop, and then there's a computer over here as well. And here's the door that I came through. So this is the head teacher office in Grange. It is a safe space, and it is a place of CC power. So I look forward to all of you as you go through Grange, getting a chance to visit me to show me the amazing work and the brilliant choices that you are making. So see if I can just show you this, because in year one, they loved this last year when they were in reception. So let's say C. Can you see? We make a C with our fingers. C. Let's bend in our fingers and put it together, and then you can see the heart. So that CC is a heart for ourselves and for everybody around us in our beautiful world. And then because we learn Spanish, let's say vamos, which means let's go, let's learn, let's be brilliant. So C, vamos. Have a brilliant weekend and a fantastic week ahead of learning.